इस तरीके से मंडे
Dada's after smoky. Amazing collection. Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
a very good morning. So baby is preparing something. What is that? Chapati. She's making chapatis for the day because he has to go to school and for our breakfast as well. And today we are heading over to Amboli as it's my mom's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. So she still doesn't know that we're coming there. So I'll call her and I'll inform her that we are coming. I and baby only are going. Hriday has a school. So we'll go for lunch and we'll come back ASAP because Hriday will be returning till then from school. And Chester, by the way, he is feeling good after his body fur trim. Yeah, he is jumping twice as high and he's having a lot of fun. And let's see, Bagu, आजचा दिवस
कसा जातो?
Good morning, Hriday. What are you having? You already had also. It's not jaldi. So fast. You're supposed to enjoy and have.
I enjoy the night.
Yeah, in what? In seconds, not even in minutes. Good.
So we are ready and now we are leaving.
Yes.
And baby, what are you ordering?
So every 4 months I'm supposed to order my lens. So I was just placing that order. I was doing that. And since we're going to Amboli, it's easy to collect as well because my shop is in Andheri West. So उसका ही कर रहा था मैं.
Yeah.
गर्मी है गर्मी.
So along with your lens, you can order your powered glares also, no?
But you have to select all that, no? The glares, the screen and all. उसके लिए you have to go there only and there.
To select any random, na?
You would select about everything in random and where?
Yes, I will.
Right?
अरे पावर्ड में क्या इतना चॉइस नहीं रहता है.
अरे स्क्वायर ऐसा
गाड़ी अभी पूरा इट्स लाइक एन oven. Hard. Yeah, I know. Hot oven it is inside. Pura tandoor.
See, we are home and look for you. Hey, Bunny! Bunny! Come. Bunny, come. Dada's making his special potato fry. Wedges. Pooja always likes this. Your potatoes are getting fried here. क्या है कुछ नहीं है काटने का डालने का
Make no.
हाँ?
Simple you'll make no.
Yeah. Potato.
You saying it's so simple. I said you make it so simple.
It requires patience. Smokey, hi. Smokey, how are you? Not downloaded, alright? Just unnecessary things don't keep, but they will not use. Look at the spread for lunch. Hriday is missing on a lot of amazing food. Boiled egg also on take off. This is pav, potato, lady fish. Let me show the fish to everyone. Oh, nice. This is mutton. This is pork, rice, chana bhaji. Baby made it today as well. And for Hriday. And salad. Awesome. Made by Loisy auntie, mama and dada.
Morning sit down. Morning. During
They are
morning,
discussing the
reaching
plan.
पुढं सकाळी हा ते किती वेळा सोडता रे
5 AM.
हा
हा.
ओके 5 AM.
आणि मंडे सकाळी जे झाले हा
Bye.
आणि 20 तारखेर
हा
20 तारखेस मंडेस
1 days
हा
सेम डे
हा रीचिंग कुडाल
Kodal, huh?
कुडाळ हा
हा कुडाल
Yeah, the planning and plotting is going on. Yeah, what you're doing? Shopping. Shopping is going on. What? चड्डी क्यों दिख रहा है? किसका चड्डी है वो?
21st
21st
Tuesday
Wedding.
wedding
हा ट्यूसडे
wedding हा हे त्या दिवस आमचं तसेच गेलं हा
वेडिंग
So we are at Nadco and now we have put the car for parking. It will go all the way on top. Mama is here. Hey, baby is here and Loisy auntie is here. She's already shopping, I guess. So a few months ago I had given an order for new sherwani. I had no time to go and collect it, so I'm going and doing it right now. So let's go and check it out. I'm searching for you all in the front. Where is it? Where you all stop? Are they buying? Huh? Baby, what are you doing? You liked it, then take no license, auntie. Take the first one, even I like the first one. Yeah. Ask no kitne ka. Nice. They unfortunately didn't buy anything because it was loose for somewhere or the other. He was giving a good deal, 200 rupees for one. So, but in case you guys are around, check it out. It's near Nadco in Andheri West. First time you're visiting here, no? That uncle is still there. He works here now, that fellow, yeah. Chalo, let's go. Amazing collections. Which color you all like from here?
brown color
Yeah, I look like a conductor in that
no
one.
what conductor looks nice in the purple also looks nice.
Purple looks good, no? Yeah.
Purple and this brown color what conductor brown.
Green also looks good.
Where is
This
green?
one no this but it
Nice.
looks like black good same no when you same dark different when show means different
Yeah.
Expert in the talking. Where? Auntie, you're working here? you want anyone? No? Auntie is there to work, huh?
color is nice material is plain one
New suit.
Nice.
Go behind little. Let us see.
Looks good, no?
Yeah.
Love the color. Ritesh Deshmukh had put this. Ritesh Deshmukh had put it. I'm putting shirt in on there.
हाँ that is why.
That
हाँ
is
हाँ.
why. वो बराबर है.
इसीलिए ऐसा लग रहा है हाँ.
Anyway, I don't put the first button. Probably open.
She's asking you to get rid of your beard.
Not happening. Beard है not remove. थोड़ा टर्न करेगा.
क्रीम करके शेप ले लो बस
है ना? नहीं सुनते नहीं है.
अभी किया नहीं ना. Where not even trimmed anything, so that will take time.
down it's looking like gold
Looks good. I like the color. Take other. Take more. Choose more colors, no. और भी कलर्स दिखाओ भैया. Looks good. फिट हो रहा है क्या वो? You saw? फिट होएगा ना? Baby, see this? You don't like this? ये भी ब्लाउज. Baby, done? You bought how many?
So now we have come to make photochromatic glasses for.
Yeah, I need them for driving. I don't want to wear lens 24/7. And since we are having a road trip, I wanted to buy new frames.
Finally, lens cut people will feel bad.
From Bright Resin, yes.
Yes.
My lens, as you all know, comes from this place. Last time he was angry, he got it from some other place.
Yeah.
He saw the vlog.
Acha.
When Preeti and Tera
Yeah.
We'll check some frames now and then we'll decide and finalize on one.
See, so many are here.
What are they two doing?
New shop owners.
They're comfortable. Since small, we've been coming here.
Is it?
Yeah. Since all
Family shop.
Family shop, yes.
Of course.
Everyone,
One.
mamas, Loisy aunties, mom,
All over here.
Grannies or grannies.
Grannies also.
Yeah, so we're coming here since so many years. 20 years. So we placed an order for the glaze. I'll show it to you once I receive the final product. That will come in by Saturday. That's 3-4 days. So when it comes in, I'll show you. Now we are heading over to buy something. Lois auntie wants to buy slippers, it seems. So let's go check it out. Street shopping, always the best. And this is all happening outside Andheri station. What is this for, baby?
I'm seeing Ray. See my cover.
Sure. Baby's new cover. Nice. After so long, after so long I'm getting into the subway. Well maintained, huh? Either there used to be a person who used to check weight. He used to sit here and check weight.
I'm coming here after more than
15 years. Now we are going to have dinner and we are going to a Mughlai place called as Moti Mahal. I'm gonna have some amazing food. After how long are you coming? After how long?
We started going to mine that one hotel.
माही में किधर? हाँ. We just got done having our dinner. Really tasty food. Sorry I couldn't record the main course because there was no space and I didn't want to dirty my mobile. Stomach is full. So we had chicken lollipop, we had the banjara kebab, then we had chicken delight, which is gravy, and along with that we had butter naan and of course fresh lime soda. So now we are full, we have no space for dessert also, so we are skipping it and heading home now. So just got home. Baby had to rush home first. I parked the car and I had some parcel to carry. Mama's given pork for Hriday because he likes it and some biscuits as well. So go home and then keep this in the fridge. So tired. Yeah, back home. Oh, how sweet of baby to keep the door open. Cuckoo is here. Hi, Chester, my boo-boo too. Hi, boo-boo. Ah, you're getting smell. Hi. How are you? Darling? Darling, Chestu. So guys, we had an amazing time. Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you so much for the lovely poke that you have given. Loise auntie has made it though, but Mama helped in parceling it up. And Hriday will definitely like it. And I hope you had a wonderful time, and I hope you like the gift as well. Whew, it's hot, and now I'm dozing off to see I'm really very tired. Had a very long day, lot of traveling honestly. And so this is where I sign off. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.